Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. To this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign up for an Uber account on Android. So make sure that you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we need to have our Uber application. To do so, you will need just to go to your phone store, either it was Apple Store or on the Play Store, depends on phone you're using. After that, you will need just to have, just to search for Uber, and you will be able to download your application. After that, we need just to access and open our application, and then we will need just to sign up for our account and basically let's just get started so we can sign up for our account. So basically you can choose your number there and then you will be able to sign in up with your account. So here you put your number, you continue and or you can continue with your Gmail or other accounts. So let's continue with the email and you will need just to add your email. So now you just continue by clicking on next. You will need just to add or to provide the verification code that will be sent. And you will need just to go to your mailbox and get the code and you will be able to sign in up for this code. So I'm just going to copy paste the code and here you will paste it. So basically and then next, and after that you will need just to enter your number or you can just uh, skip this step. After that you will need just to click on next, accept Uber terms and reviews privacy notice. You click on next and by that you have created your own Uber account. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.